The French Bulldog is an adorably cute animal. They were bred in England and they migrated to, well, you guessed it, France. They are characterized by their black and white coats, sometimes fawn, sometimes all black, sometimes all white. They come in many different variations, and they are called brachycephalic dogs. In other words, dogs with pushed-in faces. And they are cute, but they do cause breathing problems, and they snort a lot, so vet bills can be notoriously expensive. The French Bulldog doesn't like to be alone. They're called companion animals for a reason. They make great apartment dogs too. If you're going to own a French Bulldog, you need to make sure to be with it whenever you can. Don't leave them alone for more than a few hours. And to just love on them and play with them. Be warned that French Bulldogs do not take to training very well, and you will need to be firm with them on a daily basis.